WMAR-2 News, Maryland's most accurate forecast.
We've already seen a little bit of shower and thunder activity across the area, and more of that is expected as we head into the overnight and into the day tomorrow. And for that reason, the National Weather Service already has some of us highlighted under that flash flood watch until 6 o'clock tomorrow evening. That means that we can see thunderstorms dump some significant rain, enough to fill up some of these bayous and creeks and roadways here. Here's a look at where we're tracking showers right now, and you can see the activity is toned down a whole lot. Not seeing the deeper reds, not seeing any lightning out there, and no active warnings at the moment, but more showers to the south of us, and that energy is generally flowing in a northeasterly direction. So we're expecting to see more rain as we head into the overnight hours for folks working at third shift, but also more showers as we head into the day tomorrow. Now, we've seen some damage reports here. You can see some of these icons with trees. That's reports of trees down. Just within the last couple of minutes, a cluster of some of those reports have come out of Harford County, but we saw some near Chestertown earlier today, and also some near BWI, trees down. Thankfully, we haven't had any reports of any injuries, but of course you always want to be careful when these showers and storms are rolling through. More of that activity tomorrow morning. So heading to work, I think you'll need the umbrella, and you'll have those windshield wipers rolling fast tomorrow morning. As we head into the afternoon, we're going to have clouds in place and isolated showers, so less rain chances for the afternoon. And I think things will start to quiet down as we head into the evening tomorrow, and we'll get partly cloudy before more of those clouds start to build back in heading to your Saturday. So if you have any plans tomorrow, finishing out the work week, chance of showers and thunderstorms is going to be in the forecast for most of the day. I expect the clouds to be dominant, and that's going to equal cooler numbers. I think we're going to struggle to get into the mid 80s. In some locations, we'll only get to the lower 80s. So we're talking about roughly being 12 to 15 degrees cooler tomorrow than we were today in some places. Here's a look at your Saturday, where we are going to start off mostly cloudy. I do think we have a rain chance for Saturday, but it's going to come in for the second half of the day. Can't rule out a stray sprinkle or two earlier in the afternoon, but as we head into the evening, that's when we're going to start to see more of that energy shifting into the area. And that's also going to equal some slightly cooler numbers for Saturday. So that means temperatures are going to be seasonal in the upper 80s. And then once we get on the other side of the weekend, our forecast gets affected by this. Tropical storm ISAIAS right now moving to the northwest at 18 miles per hour, so it is slowed down, which is not something you want to see these tropical systems do. The wind sustained at 60 miles per hour, and you can see it looks a little bit more organized. That wrapping, that circular rotation, you can actually pinpoint it, and you can also see what we call the outflow bands starting to breathe a little bit. So those are all reasons why we're expecting this system to actually strengthen as it starts to shift towards the northwest and makes its way towards the United States. We're watching its high pressure system because this is going to be what steers it. Right now, the thinking is that it's going to eventually start to curve towards the northwest before shifting out towards the sea again. But that means it's going to come very close to land somewhere along the east coast. Right now, here is where we're tracking this system moving as we head towards Saturday. It's going to start to make its brush with Florida and then eventually start to curve out towards the north and east. And by Monday evening into Tuesday, that's whenever this is going to pass into our region. And that's going to bring us some rain chances as we head towards your Tuesday and Wednesday. So here's that 7-day forecast where, of course, your weekend is in view. We are tracking temperatures in the 80s for most of the time. Rain chances lingering through next Wednesday. High by next Thursday, 86. We'll be right back.